Bureaucracy and accounting require extensive time and resources. Data-based, automatically shared reporting, administrative tasks and transactions help cut costs. Real-time economy like that reduces duplication, is evident in saving time and money, helps avoid mistakes as all parties have the same data that is safe and shared in real time, as well as adding transparency and trust. In order for a real-time economy to work, data needs to be exchanged in a standardized, machine-readable format in real time. The solutions need to be utilized extensively both nationally and internationally. Cross-border cooperation simplifies international information exchange between businesses and government institutions. Our Nordic-Baltic region is the world leader in this field. Real-time economy solutions eliminate time inefficiency and the business becomes more efficient. A growing proportion of administrative tasks become fully automatic, leaving more time to focus on operating the business or relaxing. For more information, please visit our webpage.